The advantages and limitations of Gantt charts in project management. A Gantt chart is a bar chart that outlines the activities you need to complete a project. These timelines show how the activities relate to one another. Gantt charts are useful because they provide an overview of a project's activities and progress. Gantt charts indicate how work on a task can begin only after the completion of a related task. Such information helps team members understand project hurdles and make critical decisions about the best way to move a project forward. The advantages of Gantt charts. A Gantt chart gives project teams a high-level overview of the project tasks they must complete, along with a timetable to finish their work. The chart helps you monitor the project's progress by showing how tasks relate to each other. A key benefit of a Gantt chart is its ability to show a top-line presentation of a project. Gantt charts help team members track activities. Managers can also use them to allocate resources wisely in order to finish a project. Typically, you can insert tasks, group them under specific work breakdown structure levels. In more advanced versions, you can also determine the critical path by establishing relationships between activities. A Gantt chart typically includes below information: start and end date of a project, major deliverables, major milestones, start and end dates of the tasks, how tasks are grouped under specific groups or levels, duration of each task. Gantt charts have many advantages from the project manager and stakeholder perspective. Below are some advantages of them. It is a tool for representing the project schedule. Easy to create. A visual tool. It is easy for stakeholders and project teams to understand the work schedule. Enhances team productivity. Different activity groups can be represented on the same schedule in one simple chart. Improves communication and coordination among stakeholders in order to complete tasks as per the work schedule. Supports procurement processes by showing delivery dates. Helps to control the project status by comparing the plan dates shown on the chart. Helps project and department managers to easily coordinate their teamwork. It is a communication tool that improves stakeholders' decision-making. Limitations of Gantt charts. Gantt charts aren't perfect. Setup can be time-consuming. With large projects, the number of activities and their details can complicate the chart and make it difficult to understand. One of the primary challenges when using Gantt charts is their complexity in large projects. The charts can also fail to represent the complexities of certain tasks and the time your team requires to complete them. Without software, it is hard to prepare and update the work schedule in a short period of time. It is not easy to see all the activities in a complex project. Inserting activities and establishing activity relationships may be time-consuming in large and complex projects. Without software, it is not possible to assign resources to tasks. Without software, it is not possible to make resource leveling. It is difficult to see everything on one sheet of paper. It is difficult to realign the activities from one WBS, work breakdown structure, level to another. Gantt charts help you organize projects, improve overall project visibility, and keep everyone on track. Gantt charts also help managers provide resources when and where they need them. And they encourage collaboration among project team members. However, project teams often face difficulties in updating and organizing work schedules if they don't use software tools.